Money Records. We back at it. You know the words. Stop playing with me.
थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जान कभी बाहों को दीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए
AforBall, Papa, you are live. You're going live now.
Yeah.
You are live. Okay.
Oh, 정말 쩌실래.
You toast, you shit, like it's a kid in a lane. Shake her go day, now make it less. So when I am in a signal cuss, shake on a gas, get back on me. Back on the chick that you look at this. Show up the list, get child like goose. Get the dry, get you look at this. Come on, carry a chance with this. How does a bitch get out of the leaks? Looks like a club off my good face. Back on the way.
YouTube the lot of women fan because karagi YouTube ditani it feels like therapeutic and storytelling che khagan arila
nama mambo shuji pesha ane samalo depe wala ning taban tuje shui tang ado de ma zerim khali khalo go zui ngel nge zerim de ma doshan chi jochi zerim dango de Kollegal New Jersey shisu sozo junle chene gyawe kuba tongdo rinpoche jeta bujus.
We asked the Kollegal leadership team to offer a white scarf to His Holiness the Dalai Lama as a good omen and opening our festival or the event for today.
도체나 제림니바 Kollegal shisu tsokso chone kundu namla 참제다 시술기 레드 닝두 시 불람 쉬죠 소소라 페로나.
We asked Mr. Lobsang Sherabla Tsoktso and the president of the North America Kollegal community leader. He will share few words and speech on this occasion to the audience.
참아타시들래. 안데 Kollegal ki New York, New Jersey ki censo chimbudin nalaya penye tariki de kunduso aja pembalada de tenzi wangela ngaju de shijagi de shisurchagi yore dene ngaju de pala amla khonle teba mangu du spede yore digel nyening thagone 당분은 예 투지나 쉬기 데네 가지고 에스 Kollegal 기 다리기 천소 친구들 알이야 서포트 청에 안 가지고 시민 멤버 안 치료하는 멤버고도 스페요레 안 디겔이 다리 닝 타반에 가지고 Kollegal 기 시수 3회 첩슈네 닝 타반에 투지나 쉬어이 소소라라 건다 소소로서 셔라라 차사오지 더브나 디셰페 마세야 보죠 가래 셔라 쪼시라 마주레 가래 군조선 차 당게 싫으면 또 안될 테네. 셀라니 타지우 슈스셔로. 당아도 제림 숨바데 두기. 제림 숨바데 진호 공사 장군 첨부 공 고대 텐데레 객 준비다. 대야 오게 kushou ogen rangzhe lane ani tengshu gi mensi shui ta nga zo danda de dalo gude kige za yaoro mo che kolo guju gi temje ge nga zo dosini
템데게 싸워지는 두진이 계획직 쳐봐 표현이 안텔로 구쇼 틴지란돌야 페로나
We are going to do a cake cutting ceremony to honor His Holiness the Dalai Lama on Gudu occasion on the 98th birthday celebration. We ask Oge Randula to come and say a prayer offering to His Holiness the Dalai Lama before we cut the cake.
Siang ki coba khilafu delek chukki tamri khilayo sem to be drum
이 제라 셰마 파상라네 아니 중거기 텔루지 표현이
Now we ask artist, ex-Tipa, a singer, a classical Tibetan singer, Passang Domala, who will now sing a Thurpa She, a song in praise of His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन ए जी ओ जी लो जी सुनो जी मैं हूँ मन मौजी करता हूँ मैं
아야 시람 맞아 불러와 너무 참나 야 주서다 아니 내가 쓰다 나 신이 나다 아니 신이 고속이 어다 당가도 술래를 하고요 one of the best that I need 나네 당가도 best 저야 그래요 말 들으면 나마도 최장 처로나 릴레이션으로 와 Teze mango yor tanga zo she yapo chanya rata sheba shema chaje chanya yor deji to suler la na yeshikhando la perda cha
So the next artist, an icon, a performance by Yeshi Khando from New York City. But before we start the program, Khandula, who is a singer, who has done a lot of MC, and a proud Tibetan woman who is known for her Bollywood songs, entertainment, Tibetan songs, as a host, as a comedian. Today, I would like to give a small introduction, her a famous show which is known as No Filter. Do you guys know about No Filter? Woo! Okay, that's the first casual Tibetan talk show where she completed 10 seasons, and she have called and invited artists all over Himalayan regions, especially during the COVID, where she started this talk show. She's going to continue and start a new season very soon. Today she feels very happy and honored to support our Kollegal fundraising event. Our first Kollegal fundraising event, she was there to perform and support, and today it is a very special moment for her to show up for our Tibetan fundraising event for Kollegal Shija. I would like to give the mic over to Yeshi Khando la. The next performance is by Yeshi Khando.
I see at the back. Can I see some flashlights in the air? Don't but you sembla Sharona. Stay with me. Beautiful. Chachu minite, subi chumuda, iwado. Lada, kasina wada, nani lakante, ngindura semnate. Simpa macho nani tute, taso, ketantina nani nawasho, yosa, nindam chela shugie, macho semla Sharon. New York, stay with me. Come on. Dela dona tigre. Huh? Get tired. Iwado say. Ha ha. Gasina wada. Ngani lakante. Ningula semnate. How are you doing, New York? Make some noise. Hatangara nidume, chikuru semacho. Ine raune konasa, samshime semacho. Go! Asina wada, ngani lakante, iwalada. Asina wada, ngani lakante, niguna semnate. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Woo! Dashi Dele, New York, how are you doing tonight? Yacha Gechu Gupchu Mangche Kollegal inside. Kollegal came in some other village coast. I see. Hangi Kelsang ki sungana shin Kollegal ki pinchu turuk tangshu dila I had a chance to perform. And karing lo mangbo jila yangyo ketang wala ning thapane tujiche. Thank you. किरण से दिस शौक छू हुई कि नहीं निंजे पैसे किसी और को देखने के लिए आए और देख किसी और को रह ले जा ही नहीं लोग हम पूछा रहे but I think whatever happened parche लेगी रे लेगी खटी या पुपे वाई ना mix हान्ये न्यू किंगे ये बारे बस Kollegal Tsoktso simshu macharochi and AforBall if you're watching do not give up. All right. Alright, that heading ninje morape to your mare, but as you all saw, she made a video, but as a woman from one single mother, and I think how many single moms are here? Be proud and raise your hands, please. Woo! Yes, there's always been like single moms or like character assassination. Don't do that. Be proud of where you are. Unfortunately, as a single mom, chare, but wherever you are, carry on with pride. And AforBall is a very, very strong single mom. Morangi chashi pe apo chine dela pegi chashi dimle de. Obviously, mola no kenge mangu chagide, but as one single mother, we should all support another single mom. So I love you too.
Thank you.
Ama simshu shoot this. Thank you. Like you have a host. Anyways, host pe apo do there. Telling host chikne chik. Yeah, I'm very, very happy. Mimang pe mangu pesha. Tama sheni ba di pesherang. But now ngarang chikpo tangan yogido. Every time dingjang alale, anzo track tang. I want my audience to sing with me tonight. That's Tigida. A shape over it, singing chipul on the shake on the Zodor. Chalega, and maybe ended the Lapa Dukes China Kiran the team. I want to see if I know anybody. This go, Wangela Fisha, Wangela Charles shooting a green card, Wangela hits yours. Anyways, right here. I want to see, okay, there's Seangla, right? So Seangla team is this side, all right? Everybody's Seangla's team. Then there is, who do I know here? Gawala. Who's Gawala? Huh? The Pussy Kuch language, a single rang of Pussy Kuch time. Why, Chamsa Gatsuri made a single series of the life. Gawala, seen a Gawala. Mother Chola, you're a very good looking guy. The Ajahn Jambu down the city. Cannot say la right here, right there. Okay, would you Nako wala aapka naam kya hai? Jaldi bolo. Rab Jamyangla. So we have Seangla's team and Jamyangla's team. Suke che duta in the law. So we're going to go. If I do this, you're going to go. Seangla song sunga jengi song. Wow, Seangla team shoot da. The Jamyangla team. Jamyangla. 1, 2, 3, go. Sis Jamyangla team garsha. Very nice. So dagara energy ye lakpa energy do wala kiran jutang. Parala, it would be nice if when sitting la sole do wala we'll all stand up and do sitting la so. Kup kiting la yo lower the sitting na la mangu dena. Let's have fun, okay? Track please, DJ. Ready?
나마서 예시 칸도라 차 싸우지 따브로나 나마서 가르쳐서 왜 가르쳐서 왜 시? 나다 신에 나다 딜 마마 셰라데 나마서 비주다 나마서 또 르르지는 쇼와 지지나 나는 야지키를 내가 열다 알아서나 나는 모두 셰 빼져 쫓게 살아대셔 내가 내 주인님과 계속 비셔 되버전에 개고 좀 말. 이만한 레벨 15시도 그리고 콜레가 초점을 믹싱 시간 라자 가서 되셔 개 말. 대시들 와. 방 가서 가르쳐야라나. 이 아다 이 시간을 라지. TNammy. 딱 말은 이 이제 가르치는 와. 유니버시티 이제로 와. 딱 야마 두래. It's okay. 아니 TNammy 만족의 배배 담아 misstibet 뭐라게 하냐다 퍼포먼스 셰타베 당하다 뒤도 저러서 셀폰이 아버지만 셀폰 대기다 어디 라인 당행인데 내지는 나마도 돌려를 주셔라나 아니 예시간도라 담고 차 싸우지다 보나 안돼 예시간도 셰팅이 하 나도 막을 하야다 와마도 가리에서나 나다 가상 알아서 AforBall 레기 AforBall 말거다 당하는 게 유튜브 따고 봐라 뭔가 니 인지 따가면도 호라미를 하바사 A bowling 하고 It's up to you. It's okay. My English is not straight, you can make it straight. It's okay. Okay? It's okay. We are family. Yeah, we can enjoy it, take your time. I am a disco dancer. 아침에 나도 사람도 아니 디지털 가서 뭐라 내지는 이도요 말아. 디지털 뭐라 나다 자전나 두스페이지 나마더라 두시니 자전나 페이지 뭐라기 Thank you so much. Thank you. Luciana. 네, 뭐라고 해요?
Alright, the crowd is going. AforBall.
Thank you, AforBall.
So the next, I know a lot of you guys have come today to support us for AforBall. I want to do a small introduction. AforBall, Papa, you are live. You're going live now.
Yeah.
You are live. Okay.
정말 쩌실래.
Camera su operate.
가만히 누구들아 라이브 유명해요.
Yeah, AforBall, that's how my kiko she's an icon, social media gi, crazy hai. She's got like 49.8k followers in Instagram. And likewise YouTube, Kawaii Facebook, Sammalara, she has got like a crazy fan following, guys. Audience of my AforBall, so she's here.
정말 쩌실래. 저 뉴욕 뉴저시 미 정말아 니마 페어도 투치낭 라이바 타마당 보들라. 아니 네가 알아라. 에디 스타디 걸다 큐즈당아 에디 스크린나 통구이들이야. 나도 이제는 얘기 큐즈 사이드 님 통구이다. 상아 사회자야. 상망 알트리 사회자. So anyways, ngata lole tu masung ani chidani chike tongi duzuge ende sebara chik phangwa dinde yorenye samgimin dura 아니 니강라 나 방시 가르침슬라나 다 chidani 가시야 가라 콘서트에 룸에 랭게 되는 망고도 아니 강주 티켓 또이 랭게 되도 가시야 내가 내가 주고 다 주마 다 콘서트에 samne 내가 좀 쇼도 직래저 당아 소라 부도 케슬라로 된다 아니 저거 니 사바시로 라로 된다 고시도로 라로 다 좀 혹시 레어라 원딜 밥 애니로 차치도가라 아니 제가 메주로 살아야죠. So I felt really bad and 디가라 정말로 공개며 지라야 봐. So we have the MC baby 모란도 이제나 니기 디레 ex sister-in-law 디레 뭐게 싫어서 고문들어. So I don't know. 뭐
Go ahead, AforBall, I'm listening.
So 언니 지난 닝이야 니 가르침슬라나 다 쉐로 찍스 땅나로 섬사 다 이네 단다로 지나 추주숨데 차가로 레시야 아니 nga 마이크도 주게 슈 야전 디킴제 프롤리그레 사면저 디자드 야 나은 피가 전에 양랑아 So baby you can take it over. I mean you can the audience now if you have any kind of a question theoro je do china ya chik 다리 얘나 직 다우도je 티오도je 도 삼고되나라 말라 directly 비비 랄리리아 audience 나올라
남아서 제와에는 뭐라 따로 지금 아주 뒤에 시작가 먹어요 돈내려와 디게 나가도 쉐만 뭘 하대 직 도바다 데 제와들이 얘나 아 뭐라 랭게게 송도 카레캅도 대가리 꺄세 눈내가 나라
Can you raise your hand? Anybody have any question to AforBall? Tibetan fans. Ooh, Tela is there. We have a fan. No fans actually. This is your right, Dirda, to ask question to AforBall. Here, Tela.
Tachana, thank you so much. AforBall period and so exciting chas New York. I'm around Chashana, try this one dream, such as a truth. Try the truth also. Any last guy, any bag over chair, that AforBall little, but exciting chat there on the Mongo you did and someone you yaja. They came to the Tada, the Korana, but the color of the chicken near someone Yapuchel Pingo, I mean, my pantry and Chawa Yapuchi Zongo, on someone, go watching the Mimoli, or entering on someone so. And thank you so much. I'm a big fan. Hope to see you next year or soon. I'm your big fan. Jita kira get shinjo the sama lega chana pa nang load the bus na lo am chuna yeti ya ani this still the lega chidu busy chara and yan therapy do chelu. Thank you so much AforBall. We love you.
Thank you so much. Da ngaki dia ko shira ko midra ini keje la su para ta se onu su shu chi le ze kare nam ba zo shu se le ze ya tani de list di wala ngara be phagir da ari la thama dango audience la performance chali or so ngara beta kala ro shu tanga ji ba go ji di la chuma sa che midra ani kira de le wa da tuje nang 정말 정말 벌써 지니 그런 틸레요 라우도 된다. 망보지라 정말 투제 낭래봐. And I love you too.
All right, thank you, Teyala. The next question, raise your hand, please, or stand up. Anybody? Question? You want to just share your... Oh, we have a hand there. We have a hand there. Woo! Spotlight the data or not? Spotlight. Rang Ming Chera introduction to Chiwadi Kuruna.
Test le AforBall ngaming pimeji test chung sijani ani thalo le matuna kemare next time we love you. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you so much.
Di la da khare. Che londre lady. That's my biggest kira ngaji dialogue nyimshe. Che londre mata di Handi.
Yeah. Over there. Handi lady. I don't know whether you guys can hear my voice. I can hear. Not completely silence. Don't charge ya.
All right. Do we have any question? Hand raised, China. Yamana, please stand up. Tiva inare, you want to just pour your heart out. I know a lot of people are getting emotional.
No questions, we miss her.
Konzakashi lakpai tangi melas, but ketauda ya beer roti siston ya cocktail tisnura. No question, las lakpa, but we love you and we miss you, las.
I love you guys too. Thank you so much for coming. Katanga digang la ta shit tangi da thani mangu peoria, especially thanks to ex-Kollegal New York, New Jersey gi member sangma Tsoktso kurong. Ani chidani Yeshi Khando la morombe last moment la mugi yongo la re ani moron lebe tuche nang leba ani sharsho la chudu jela chingma tanga joyena TNammy gi merch yo pa side le yoro gi nyoga dorochi tare ko nguna tsira yegi chabbe ko shima shita go tesia. So please do that too, and I love you all. Thank you so much for coming. Ani 정말라.
Thank you. We love you.
Slapa, there's so much of love pouring, so much. I think especially you have got a lot of women fans. Kerangi YouTube the lot of women fan because Kerangi YouTube the tane. It feels like therapeutic and storytelling. It gets very stressful at times. Nimanga work, then family, laundry, weekend la, grocery shopping at Patel and Apna Bazaar, and then back to square one, 9 to 5. I think Kerangi YouTube, you share your stories. You are like, brutally honest and transparent. People love that quality. I realize you have a big, crazy fans out here in United States, all over the world. Thank you so much. Is there any question? Any more questions? Okay, we love you, Laslakwa. There's so much of
I love you guys too. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming live.
Oh, merci beaucoup.
Alrighty, so I guess that's the last question. Some of this spellbound chasha. Alright, so okay.
Thank you, AforBall.
Thank you
for
so
coming
much.
on the big screen. Samola chat saoje daruna. Page
사오지 다루나.
shoge chizi sumda kama katunje laso. Ni manyane moragi simchuchini fans like shed dere. And fans soge pe maze yagochina. Tuche na samola one three japje na odel. Ning tama tuche. And also tata di next performance continues go together non-stop. Tata next performance share tangi di Yeshi Khando la loya peresha. Namato Yeshi Khando la chat saoje daruna yanjo. Yeah, namato tradition there dikja saoje darda. Mato pura didi chikda. What a shock test. Javunero chikisi corrections jor. Yeshi Khando la tata pedo. Samola chat saoje daruna.
Before
so much.
Sure. I don't want both of you to leave. Come here. Nga New York la sa lo ta chupdin has jo de ni. I have never seen these two individuals, and they are so amazing. So now unto danganyi la kapter changi re shagoranyi. Give them a hand, please. All right, chala gan sen la kare re. Konnichiwa re. Chala sen la kare re. What's your name?
Senla.
Sen la nyegi masuna na please. Just come straight to the point.
Just Yeshi Khando la dringa remind chis. Nagoya. Kasenga lega chisala ro. Miji ro. What's your name like? Ko bar lega chigo. You think sangala. Like kuncho samlo ye time ba. Please tell me your name. You think sa. Kora mingoro you think this. Yeah, samlo ta kuncho nge I'm not lying. Ko mingo you think. Kalo sa you think. Samlo ta la order samlo ye time ba. What's your name please? You think like anjo like. Kora mingoro you think this. Yeshi Khando la nge ming la shana. You think.
Oh, we have the same name. Oh, Yeshi.
Yeah, Yeshila and Yeshi Khando.
Yeshila.
They are match. Yeshi Khando la dus pay ore.
Chola, you can't handle me, huh?
Alright, over to
Alright, give a
Yeshi
round of
Khando la.
applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Nakpadose. Okay. So AforBall. You all didn't have A for ball, but B for ball का size का एक artist बुला लिया ना यहाँ पे. Please come, do Domindo. See, I am turning 43 next month. Yeah. I'm not ashamed to say it, but I also want to say, women of my age, I noticed one thing. We are very, especially women. We focus so much on family, responsibilities. Take care of yourself. Go to the gym. Go to a parlor. Go to Tseyang microblade. Make yourself look beautiful. Right? And in Nazape Mango do, so don't give in really quickly. Life is beautiful. We have a long way to go. So please take care of your health. I want to sing a romantic song. Let's first start with a Tsoktso, okay? And vocal line, judge. Let's have the track, please. you know the song, then you can sing with me. Long anyam to tang nan tiksare. देखा ज़माना सारा भरम है इश्क इबादत इश्क करम है मेरा ठिकाना तेरी ही दहलीज़ है मैं हूँ दीवारे छत है पिया तू रब की मुझे नीमत है का तावीज़ है जरा कभी मेरी नज़र से तुझको ढूंढ ले कि 100 जन्म भी देखती हो तेरा रास्ता जो भी है सब जिस्म का हर रुबां तेरे हवाले कर दिया जो भी है सब मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया जिस्म का हर रुबां तेरे हवाले कर दिया। कैसा लगा? See, New York has seen my growth. Since 2009, nga she thangbo tangdo gala, nga she kir chau tangkora thume. And if she tangye sawa dingja gala penye pugu lochunga chona, if you're scared, learn something from me. Someone who started singing dam ita tanda tere hawale kar diya. You can grow. But I also want to thank someone really special tonight. Nga shetangye thangbo chado, there were a lot of few people who helped me come on stage. Nga la day thing ni chidore, ningje pa thing ni chidore, birthday party la chidore, funeral la mati stage reda shetanga. And one of them who actually convinced me to come and perform tonight is Sidomala la chashuk chesta. So she's right here. She's been like my godmother as a singer. Moram Mena, I have never been able to expose myself to the Tibetan community. So Siramala, Taring Dingja Diguni, thank you. Thank you. Alright. Tanga mic dila, I want to say, Kollegal, Tsokpa, Suyuna, Kiranzo, Taring sound system chitari chidwa. Chummeshwari Resha, beautiful sound system. So give a round of applause to all the sound guys right there. Chashuk chairs, very nice, beautiful. And so artists, it's very important, we need some good sound system. Let's test the mic. So ngara, she yang yo sop stangi ba di mic test share da nge mic di kiranzol pas tang do kin sama nyam do chinik kin sama ke yak por nge ha gu chikle chik dongba sangma tar ke yak do sangma dongba mende. And this she tang do I really want you all to take out your flashlights and put it on air because I'll put it on my Instagram. I'll put this video on my Instagram. So I really want, when the chorus comes, everyone turn on your flashlights. Okay, DJ, let's have the track, please. Come on. And if anyone is good at your camera skills, the performance, the capture, private part, all right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Can you hear me at the back? Yes? All right, great. This is for all the lovers in the house tonight. From one heartbroken person to you. Tere saath saath aisa koi noor aaya hai chaand teri roshni ka halka sa ek saaya hai teri put your flashlights in the air now. If anyone is capturing, turn to the audience. Come on. Sing with me. Louder. Kollegal. Oh my God, so beautiful. दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें तेरी हवाएं हैं. Thank you. Oh my God, thank you so much, Kollegal. This is beautiful. So without any further ado, I want to sing a song that defines Yeshi Khando. Let's sing the next track, please. Are you ready to dance with me? You want me to come down and dance with you guys? Chalo, chalo, track chala do bhai. Me kama kari kari thum de. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go New York. Let's go. Everybody sing. Cha 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 cha. How's everyone doing tonight? Oh my God! You got Somalo. Everybody put your hands up. Aprieta. Let's go now, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Divane. Let's go, everybody. Disco Divane. Are you having fun? Disco Yeshi Khando, हाथों में हाथ, नाचे सितारा. अच्छा, shook chest for her. सुंदर बदन, चंचल बदन, सब में नाचेगा है. Disco. Everybody, come on. How are you guys? Lord of New York. Sing! Cha, 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 cha. Everybody in the house tonight, whether you are young, whether you are old, it doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter. As long as you are young and hot. Somebody should show you now. He should have done it. Yeah, Shangchi, come on now. Everybody stand up. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Disco dip. Hey, disco dip. Oh, I see some ladies in हमारी आवाज मोहब्बत का साथ नाचे सितारों के साथ चंचल बदन सुंदर बदन नाचेगा है लौटा डिस्को दे ओ डिस्को दे Thank you, New York. Thank you so much. I'm gonna come back. We will end the show with Aap Jaisa Koi Nahi, Yaar Bina Chan, and Koi Yahan Nache Nachega. Thank you so much.
안에 모든 잡아야 저다도 참고 제스로 민들 봐 배주도 이 시간도 one and only one क्या बात है this my dinja my difference store 뭐 덴데 직차다 우리 미만도 간대요 제만에 콜레가 파티 레네 간대도 하고서 어디 런니니를 마시 주고요 말해 가르서는 미마서 가서 자고로 와 가서는 바구 참아 자이래 담에 지기로 와 디디서 가서 런니와 대로 보면 싶지요 빠르게로 아니 조수쇼 디나시 키우스 그런 저기 안 조사디 놀고 말하게 시작할 오늘 부고 결론적 이야기 땅에래 디나시게 남다래 랑가스에 상마랑 하러 저기 집에 지로진 팬도에래 아니 니망아 내가지 산이데 사페만 님한테 내 가서 지금 하나 깜불 듣기 내 트랜스퍼 냐에도 디기도 야야 나가라 이 땅 어떻게 예시간도를 차 서우지 다버나
Let me do a small introduction of Kelsang Thupten Nimala. This is, I think, if I remember, this is his second time with Passang supporting and showing up, being a part of our fundraising event. This is the second time. Kelsang Thupten he is an ex-army musical band artist. He is currently also training small children and kids in self-defense class like martial arts. So if you have children, you have kids who are looking for self-defense, some karate kick and martial arts, he is doing that. And not only just that, he also sings beautiful Tibetan song and Hindi songs as well. So the next performance is by Kelsang Thupten Kargil, which will be followed by Tibetan song Drogba. Give a big round of applause for Kelsang Thupten
Hello. Hello. Namo just delay. Yang mutu jeve. Tashi delay shoe. Trouble you show shady. Shade under the Kargil led shady. Yamanga Tanglo Manga Shubik cups, table cups, one that so shazatingo do. Cheza Oti cups so. 나는 셰스교기 강세르야 속박의 셰시 가르기레지 남보조 피초지 예부 용어쇼 남보조 킹이나 냠도 따로나
Hindi remixed tab na resha this the tenzi pedal cha sawaje dabrana nyamdo nabaso khatongba ma dewa chöja chöge chida kunje ina ma chida kunje shende this is gyada yabudo and Passang that is a weekend village and show.
Alrighty. So the next performance is a Hindi remix dance performance by Miss Tibet Teze Pedola. I want to give a small introduction. Teze Pede, at the age of 21, she won a Miss Tibet title in 2017. And till today, she's the only contestant who have retained and carried her title relentlessly. Khando Miss Tibet Laur, we are just calling her Miss Tibet. Just imagine she won the title in 2017. A fitness model, a proud Tibetan woman, a flexible, brave dancer and artist. She's here to get the crowd, going crazy for a Bollywood number. Give a big round of applause for Miss Tibet Teze Paldon.
जो तू आंखों से बोल गया मन साथ समंदर डोल गया जो तू आंखों से बोल गया ले तेरी हो गई यार सजना वे सजना ओ सजना मेरे यार सजना वे सजना जो साथ समंदर डोल गया तेरे प्यार में ये बिन बोल गया ले तेरी हो गई यार सजना वे सजना ओ सजना मेरे यार सजना वे सजना
ओ कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर तू ही मेरे दिल के अंदर में सजना वे सजना कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर तू ही मेरे दिल के अंदर में सजना
पत्थर है वो मुझे रोक टोक कहते हैं लोग पर मुंह मसा है मेरा जानू नश्तर है वो यही दूर दूर गूंजे फितूर पर बादशाह है मेरा जानू हो कड़वी है बोली दिल है रंगोली इसमें पत्थर क्यों लोग देखते हैं मुझको तो दिखता है इसमें कोई सनम अंगारों का अंबर सा लगता है मेरा सामने मेरी राहों में फूलों का रास्ता है मेरा सामने लैला मैं लैला ऐसी हूँ लैला हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला लैला मैं लैला ऐसी हूँ लैला हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला जिसको भी देखूं दुनिया भुला दूं मजनू बना दूं ऐसी मैं लैला
check hello number 2 country shows हुए
Woo! It's hot.
हाँ ताजी तेजी